Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying only the essentials so you can act immediately: workspace, storage, and credentials. Once confirmed, mount Attle's Gen 2 or register the path. This gives your notebooks direct data access and avoids late permissions surprises. Next, spin up a small prototype cluster or configure a job cluster. This lets you test notebook cells and libraries in isolation. Make sure to limit size to control cost, because early testing is about correctness, not scale. Now you assemble the pipeline. Convert your prototype logic into parameterized notebooks or modular Python scripts so you can swap inputs without editing code. Then create a Databricks job or workflow and add tasks in the right order. Use task dependencies to enforce sequence and add retries and sensible timeouts. Attach required libraries or init scripts and select a cluster spec that balances throughput and cost. This structure makes the pipeline repeatable, debuggable, and ready for schedule or event triggers. Finish by running the pipeline end-to-end with representative sample data and enable alerting for failures or SLA misses. Once stable, promote the workflow using the repo or CI/CD pipeline, freeze cluster and library versions, and document parameters and secrets. For monitoring, use the job's UI and the run logs to confirm throughput and latency. If things break, a common troubleshooting tip: check init or library errors first. Most failures stem from missing packages or insufficient IAM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.